Hello friends and welcome in this fresh episode of DIY Master, and in this video we are going to learn how to replace cell of any wristwatch. As you can see, we have this HMT wristwatch and the cell is dead. The watch is not actually working. So let's get started without wasting the time. For removing the back cover, we just need to hold this wristwatch like this, and this sharp uh, pin, or you can say screwdriver, must be placed between the cap, between this cap, like between this cap and the main frame of the wristwatch. Now we just need to pull it like this. Now the cover is open. You can see this cover is open, and we can able to see that there is a place for the cell. Now very carefully we need to remove this cover so that we can approach directly to the cell. And now you can see the cell is already removed from its holding. Now we can unwrap the cell, the new cell. That is basically a Maxwell cell, Maxell branded cell, and we just need to and now just put this cell into the given space like this, and we can see the watch is clicking. After that, carefully just put this cover back, and then this back cover, just maintain this cut so that we can hold the space for this short key. And now it's time to reset the time, and the time is 9 p.m. and that's it. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.